Hello, everyone. I hope that all of you are good. And I hope that all of you are reading your treasure trove book, poems and stories. Today, I have come up with the video of drama Act 1, Scene 3. Take out your books, turn over to page number 42. Children, we have read in the earlier scene, Act 1, Scene 1, about Antonio, who is very sad and he doesn't know the reason about his sadness, and about his friends, that how they are trying to find the reason behind the sadness of Antonio. Then we have come to know about Bassanio, that he is in love with a lady and he wants to get married to her and he wants to go to Belmont, but he doesn't have the money. In Act 1, Scene 2, we have read about Portia and her friend Nerissa. We can say friend or a mate. Nerissa, who is like a friend to her. And she is unhappy about the lottery of casket, the plan which has been devised by her father so that she get married to a right person. And she is unhappy, and Nerissa just consoles her by saying that it is a right thing to be done. Now, Act 1, Scene 3. This scene is set in a place, Venice. It is a public place. Bassanio and Shylock enters. And Shylock says, 3,000 ducats? That you need 3,000 ducats? And Bassanio says, yes, for 3 months. Then Shylock again repeats that for 3 months. And Bassanio says that yes, it is for 3 months. And Antonio is going to be the guarantor. Then Shylock says, you say that Antonio is going to be the surety? Then Bassanio says, yes, are you going to oblige us? Are you going to give us a favor by lending the money to us? Then Shylock again says, 3,000 ducats for 3 months, and Antonio is the surety? Bassanio says, please give me the answer, whether it is yes or no. Then Shylock then says again that I think Antonio is a good man. Then Bassanio asks him that have you heard an allegation against the reputation of something against Antonio? Then Shylock says, no, no, what I want to say is that his guarantee is enough, but still all his money has been invested in the ships. One of the ship is going to Tripolis, one is going to Indus, one is going to England, one to Mexico, and such. He has invested all his money abroad. But what are the ships? Ships are just made of boats, and sailors, they are also an ordinary man like us. As there are rats on the land, there are rats in the water. There are pirates. The ship has a danger from pirate, and not only the pirates, but there are many other dangers in the ocean. Water itself is danger to the ship, winds and the rocks. The man withstanding, but the man himself is sufficient as a surety. Bassanio says to Shylock that he may be assured, he must rest assured that Antonio is going to be the guarantor. Then Shylock says to Bassanio that he will be more assured if we talk to Antonio. Then Bassanio says if it pleases him, then he can have dinner with them. Then Shylock says he was shocked and he says, what? To have dinner with you, to smell the pork and to eat the pork, the pig in which Jesus has put the devil inside his body? I can do business with you. I will buy with you, sell with you, but I will not eat and drink and pray with you. Then he asks about what is the news of the stock exchange, Venetian stock exchange. And then he points out, just see who comes here. And Antonio enters, and Bassanio says that he is Signor Antonio. Then Shylock says aside, he moves aside on the stage, students. And it seems like that he's talking to himself, and he says that just look at him, that how proudly he is walking like a Roman tax collector, and I hate him. And he says, Shylock says that hates Antonio because he is Christian and because of his foolishness. Antonio, what he does, he lends out money without charging interest, and when he lends the money without charging interest, the rate of usance means the rate of interest goes down in Venice. And further, he says that if we get one chance to get hold upon him, he is going to take his revenge. I will feed fed the Asian grudge I bear him. So I am going to feed fed the Asian grudge, the grudge which I have against him from a long time. I will satisfy it. I will take my revenge. And he further says that Antonio hates his holy race and he rails. Rails means he goes on saying, where the merchants congregate means where the merchants meet at the stock exchange. Then he says the bargains, the profits which he makes, the business deals which he makes, he says that it is the interest. He calls them interest. And he says that his tribe will be cursed if we forgive him. Then Bassanio just calls to Shylock and says, are you listening to me? Hear Shylock. Then Shylock says that he is calculating. I'm debating of my present store. I'm just thinking about calculating how much money I have. So if I remember that instantly I cannot give you 3,000, okay? Oh, do no need to worry about it. Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, he is also a Jew, that he is very wealthy, he will give me the money. But wait, how many months do you desire? But just tell me, how many months do you want the money for? Then he just wishes Antonio that rest you fair good sinner, and your worship was the last man in our mouth, that you were the one whom we were talking about. That the last word which we were said was about you. We were talking about you. Antonio says to Shylock that he neither lends the money by charging interest and don't even borrow the money by giving interest. But because his friends need the money immediately, he is breaking his custom, and then he asks Bassanio that whether he has told the amount he needs. Then Shylock says, yes, he has told me 3,000 ducats, and Antonio reminds him that it is for 3 months. Then Shylock says, oh, I've forgotten about 3 months, that he has told me that. And you are going to be the security. Just let me think over it. Then he says, oh, but I think that I have just heard now that you have told me that you neither lend the money by giving interest nor even borrow the money by giving the interest. Then Antonio says, I never do it. Then Shylock says that this Jacob, when he grazed his uncle Laban's sheep, then he says that Jacob, which he is talking about, he is a descendant of Holy Abraham. His clever mother, his wise mother, has devised a plan for for his trip so that her son can become a rich person. Then Antonio says, yes, what about that? Did he also take the interest to become rich? Then Shylock says, no, no, not the interest the way we know it, not the direct interest. But it was agreed between Jacob and his uncle Laban that whichever younglings means newborn sheep, which are streaked and pied, which has multicolor fleece, they will belong to Jacob. And this is the way, and this was a plan which has been devised by his mother so that he become rich. And he was blessed. And it was that he was very lucky, and thrift is blessing, and becoming rich, getting profit is the blessing if the man do not steal it from others. Then Antonio says to Shylock that it was a work which has been done by Jacob, for which he has got the payment, and it was not in his power to make it happen. That he could not make the younglings colorful, the fleece of the youngling colorful, and it has been designed, it has been done by God. Have you given me this example to show that the interest which you charge is a good thing? Or you want to tell me that your money, your gold and silvers are like sheep? Then Shylock says that I cannot tell you, but they are multiplying as quickly, as fast as a sheep. Then Antonio says to Bassanio that listen, Antonio, the devil is going to quote from the scripture. The devil will give examples from the scripture to justify his purpose. It is like a villain, a very evil person who has a smiling face, a very good apple which is very good to look at, but it is rotten from inside. So everything, a falsehood has a very beautiful appearance. Then Shylock says, okay, you need 3,000 ducats for 3 months out of 12 months. Just let me see what is the interest. And then Antonio says to Shylock, are you going to do a favor to us? Shylock says to Antonio that Antonio, many time and often at the stock exchange, you have abused me about my money and the way I use my money. And still, I have been very patient because being patient is one of the characteristic of the Jewish people. You have called me misbeliever, cutthroat dog, spat upon my gabardine. Gabardine is a cloak worn by the Jews. And and for what? For the use of the thing which belongs to me. And it seems like that now you need my help and you have come asking for money to me. And what should be, and you have come to ask me the whom you have kicked like a dog, you have even spatted upon my beard, and now for what? And you have come asking for the money. So what do you think my answer should be? Should I tell you that can a dog can lend 3,000 to kiss? Does the dog have a money? Or should I be so obliged that I should bow down to you? And very humbly I should whisper, very softly I should say to you in a humbleness, full of humbleness, that on Wednesday you have spat upon me and you have kicked me on such a day and you have even called me a dog, and because of the courtesies which you have shown to us, I will lend you the money. Then Antonio points to Shylock that I am going to call you again. I'm going to call you dog again, and I'm going again to spat upon you. I'm going to kick you again. So if you want to lend the money, lend it as you lend to the enemy, not to the friend. Because from when the friends have started charging interest. So if the enemy does not repay the money, then you can take the penalty without feeling of guilt. And then Shylock says, oh, just see that how you have lost your temper. That I want to be your friends, I want to have your love, and I want to forget the shames that you have showered me, that you have stained me, to supply your present wants. I want to fulfill your want. The money which you want, I want to give it to you. And I do not want and take no thought of usance of for my money, that I will not charge any interest upon the money which I will lend to you. But I know that you will not listen to me. This is a kind offer I am making to you. Then Bassanio says, this were kindness, that this is really a kindness. Then Shylock says that I will show you this kindness. If you come with me to the notary, we will sign a bond over there, a single bond in a marriage sport, just for a pleasant joke and just in fun. That if you do not repay me the money on such a day, in such a place, in such a amount, then we will write down a conditions in the bond that if he is unable to pay the money, then an equal amount of fair flesh will be taken from any part of the body, whichever part he chooses. Then Antonio says that he agrees to such a bond. Then too he will say that the Jew has been very kind. Then Bassanio stops Antonio and says that do not sign such a bond for me. Let it be that even though he needs the money, let him dwell in my necessity. Then Antonio says, my fear, that do not fear, do not be afraid, Bassanio, because I am not going to forfeit it. I am going to pay the amount which I owe to Shylock of 1 month before the bond expires, because he will get thrice the amount of money which he owes to Shylock 1 month before the bond expires. Then Shylock says, just look at these Christians, that they do unjust dealing with the others, and because of that they suspect the intentions of other people. I just request you that if you break this day means that if you do not keep the day, if you do not return money on time, what I am going to get from taking the penalty of 1 pound of flesh, because a human flesh is of not of any profit, it is not of any value like the flesh of mutton, beef or goat. So I'm doing just this. I'm giving you the money just to be in your good books, to get your friendship. If you want to, if you agree to it, to take it, otherwise, goodbye. But do not think wrong of me. Then Antonio says, okay, Shylock, I will take this bond. I will sign this bond. Then Shylock, then meet me for quickly, immediately at the notary, and just go to the notary, and then you just give the direction, tell the notary to write down the marriage bond, and I will go and bring the money straight. And I have to even take care of my house because I have left the house in a guard of a unthrifty neighbor, untrustful person, untrustful servant, and very immediately I am going to be with you. Antonio says that, hurry up, Jew, gentle Jew. As Shylock goes away, he remarks that this Jew will very soon become Christian as he is growing very kind, he is becoming very generous. Then Bassanio says that he doesn't trust him, he doesn't like the terms mentioned in the bond, and he does not even trust the intentions behind it. Then Antonio says, come on, there is nothing to be afraid of because my ships are going to be back a month before the due date. Student, we have completed the scene. I hope that all of you are reading the book and even try to do the question answers in the workbook. Thank you.